Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be trying to make, should I say, some slime. Okay, so we've got this tub, got my mixing tool. So what you're going to need is googly eyes. These are optional though. Some glue of any kind, some hair gel, and some food colouring or dye or whatever. Okay, that is also optional. Okay, so what you're gonna do is pour the glue into your bowl or whatever, and you're going to get the hair gel and pour a bit in as well. Okay. And you're gonna mix that around, okay? And then you're gonna add in your dye. I've got a powder dye here, so mine isn't actual liquid dye. Mine is a powder dye. What dye I'm using? And you're gonna mix that. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to add some googly eyes. And then mix them around. Now, before you actually start to add the colour in and the googly eyes, make sure the slime has worked, because mine hasn't worked, and now that was just a waste of dye and googly eyes. So that was a fail for this video, but if you want any more videos on anything else, just write down in the comments. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.